I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 20. We have some cute little gift bags here. Aw, these are really nice. Some plaid and some roses. And there is some how do you swap paper, house, and tree. That's super cute. Aw. Oh man, that one's empty, I think. I've never made a paper house before, but I find them really intriguing. There is something in a gelato container. It looks like some sort of just silver flakes. I always make a mess when I open these, but I'm curious. Huh. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you could see on camera, but it almost looks like there's little feathers? Not feathers. I don't know. It's really cute though. That's fun. Maybe it's something for the angels that she was making. Another one of these bins was just full of angel making supplies. Got some more houses, some more bags. Oh my gosh, wait a second. Wait. We've been wanting to see if we could find something that she made. I bet you she made these cute little tiles. And I love seahorses. I'm obsessed with seahorses. So I think that's absolutely adorable. If y'all are new here, like I said, I purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of supplies. She moved and couldn't take them with her. There was 5 rooms in her house full. Oh my gosh, that's a frog. I'm actually scared of frogs. And she wanted me to take them because I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop. What we do is we take items in on store credit, and then we're able to resell them very affordably and keep art accessible for all. This one's blank, but we've been hoping to find something that she created so that we can get kind of a glimpse into what she did. It appears that she had a ton of varied interests, so this is super cool, especially because the first thing we found that wasn't just like a random piece of paper background is a seahorse, my favorite creature on the planet. There are some little treat bags, tissue paper, and the cutest cat napkin I've ever seen. Great for decoupaging. There's another tile here. Is this a stamp? It feels like that might be a stamp. It feels weird though. We've got some loose powder, maybe embossing powder. Black pearl glimpse. I don't know if that's embossing or glitter. It's kind of hard to see though. I actually don't know if this is glitter that looks like pepper or actual pepper in a pepper shaker. Diamond dust. Okay, that looks really pretty. Let me see if I can get a little glimpse of this. Probably a little too bright to see, but very pretty. It looks like snow, like fresh snow. Oh my gosh! Wait. Speaking of my favorite creature on the planet, I don't even know what these are. It just says handcrafted in China from the Christmas tree shops. Maybe they're ornaments, but look, there's a seahorse. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love that. I love it. And then some seashells as well. Oh my gosh, I just got so excited. Ooh, oh, okay. I was like, is this more stuff that she made? But this is just some metal dies. I wonder why they're in a box like this. Let me see if there's anything behind it. Oh my gosh, don't tell me. It's a whole freaking collection. Okay, so we have these that say Merry Christmas, and then these that are just frames and borders. And yes, they're labeled, y'all. Look, let me see if I can show this without throwing everything to the ground. They're literally labeled. It says what each of them are. Oh my gosh. Very cute. If you guys don't know what metal dies are, a lot of people were asking in the previous videos, and I did make a little tutorial. It is over on YouTube, and then the shorter version is on Instagram and Facebook. If you want the long version of anything though, including the longer versions of these unbinnings, you can go to our YouTube channel at bottomofthebin_, or just go to bottomofthebin.com, and there you can find links to everything. What a cute way to display your metal dies. I'm always amazed at what we find in these. There's some cute silver star tinsel of sort. Oh, I was trying to show it to you, but it bounced back. Some ribbon. Ah, it's falling. Little green tinsel glitter, very cute. There is a silver one as well. And some ultra thick embossing in gold and black. Here are some little sentiment die cuts. I wonder if the actual dies are in here. Oh, yep, there they are, hiding in the back. Looks like they're holiday themed. And here is some Tim Holtz holiday sentiments as well in the metal dies. We've got some beads and no, it's not an empty container. It's got like little tiny like droppers in there, probably for alcohol inks, I would imagine. A little tiny bag of beads, very hard to see. And now we've got the containers, the storage boxes. This one says napkins. Oh, there's dust in here, and there's a Bob as well. Bob, it is dusty. How did you get in there? Oh my gosh. We've got Christmas napkins, nautical. Aw, birdies. These are great. I usually don't keep any of these. I know you can do a lot of fun stuff with collaging, but these seem to sell pretty well in our shop. There's nothing I see that I can't live without, so these will be available. Also, I have some great news for our local customers. Starting sometime this week, we will be doing the bin of the day inside of our shop for 1, maybe 2 days, where you will be able to come and grab whatever you want from the bin of the day. So it should start this week around Wednesday, April 10th, I believe. But I'll share all the information on our Facebook page, facebook.com/bottomofthebin, so you don't miss it. There will be a photo or a video or something indicating when the bin of the day starts. And then from there, we'll go ahead and move stuff over to eBay or sprinkle it through the shop in the right section that it belongs in, or even just put it back in storage if we have too much of it to go out at the time. But at least this way you guys can grab what you want immediately. Okay, this next one says fantasy fiber. What the? No, is that what this is called? Or is there other stuff in here? Remember we found all those shiny papers in the other bin and I went absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Fantasy film? Literally never heard of it. I love the shiny, so I can't guarantee I'm not gonna keep some of these. Gorgeous handmade material. Glaze features fabulous colors and textures to help you create incredible clothing, accessories, jewelry, handbags, shoes, belts, buckles, picture frames, and more. Cut with scissor, attach with tacky glue, hot melt glue, acetone glue, fabric glue, or double stick adhesive. What? Okay, I'm super intrigued by this. Oh, no, yeah, it is. It's the same thing. There's some postage stamps, some dragonfly rubber stamps. Oh, so nice little fantasy bin. More scraps. More film, I should say. More film and some scraps. Sugar plum. Even the color names are amazing. Aurora Crystallina. Okay, I'm figuring out what to do with these. I won't keep them all though, but I'm gonna keep a lot of them. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I love the shiny and I love the fantasy. Okay, 2 to go. This one says Blumchen. What is Blumchen? I have no idea. Let's find out. Oh, is it a company? I don't know what this is. Ooh, some cute little Christmas trees. Some angel paper, angel focal points. I don't know what these little round discs are. I don't think it says. It must just be angel making stuff, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea, but it is super, super cute. Hanging Christmas decorations. I don't know. Made in Germany? Must be a brand or something. You'll let me know. You guys know this stuff. There is, what is this? I don't know. Little boxes maybe? Oh wait, before we open the last container, there is a ton of foam stamps right here. I know these will probably sell pretty well. I know someone who might actually want these. Hope you're watching. The last one, let me make this a little bit easier on myself here. This one says sponge. Oh, so just a bin of sponges. Yep. At least there's fun sea sponges and these. Oh my gosh, we definitely sell these in our store. So that is a great find, and some cosmetic sponges. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.